So hello guys, this is the official unboxing video of all those products that I have shown you in that shorts video. जैसा कि मैंने आप सबको पहले हिंट दे दिया था कि this is a product which don't complain and don't demand. मुझे लगता है आप में से कुछ लोगों ने इसको डिकोड कर लिया होगा, शायद कुछ को डिकोड करने में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई होगी, बट डोंट वरी दोस्तों, आपका फ्रेंड आ चुका है to tell you guys what actually is contained on all these boxes. You have to think it in your mind what actually these products are, and right now it is going to be unveiling. I am back with the video in which I'm going to show you what are the things that I actually ordered for you guys. So सबसे पहले उठाते हैं अपना सबसे बड़ा सा बॉक्स. Oh my god, my favorite thing is out there. So I'll finally pick it up again. So I was so much excited for this. The first book that I unboxed is the Wait I'm Working With Who. I don't know what kind of book is this right now. I haven't read any of them. It's obviously the first book. मैं भी देखा ही नहीं इसको. Let's see. Let's keep it aside. I'm keeping all these books. Second book here. Yeah, again the same book. So miracle, I got the free book. Maybe they packed the two books together. I don't know what word's that. Again, you guys can see it's two books together. Keep this aside. There's a third book inside this. Book. This was just for 92 rupees, and I got it. And this one was just for I guess 70 rupees. Oh, it's time to unbox the second. No, just it's a book. I thought there are two books in it. It's very thrilled to. I was so much excited to read this book, and finally I have this one, the $100 Startup. Maybe this book is all about how you can start a new business, and the reviews of the book were very great. I'll surely let you know what actually contained in this book. थोड़ा समय करके देना पड़ेगा आपको. Then I will tell you what actually. Still, I know this one is one of the best books for those who are actually trying to start something new. Let me tell you for the price. So the price of this book was. It was around 103. It's actually two books, not only a single book. One of my most favorite book, Intelligence, the book which is actually written by the person who is actually ahead of this century, the century in which he was born. This is the Intelligence book written by Osho, and this was actually for sure. It was for high rate because they were not on the sale. But still I got around, I guess, they were not quite expensive. It was about for 170 rupees. So move ahead. The second one is Learning to Silence the Mind. Wow, the name itself is like, it's actually silenced my mind right now. Move ahead. Maturity. Oh my god, the thing that I actually need myself. My family members and everyone here used to say to me that, for example, you need to be more mature, you need to be more mature. I know how much I need to be more mature. So this one is a book for that thing. So moving right, book. The Everyday Manifesto. Robin Sharma, I have written. बहुत great character, बहुत great writer. He actually wrote so many books. There is one more book in it. It's the Lifestyle Investor, the 10 Commandments of Cash Flow. It's about the money, it's about the savings, it's about the way how you're gonna save the money. So right now I can't say anything. I haven't read it. But moving right, I know you guys are still stuck to this. It all happened because of me. I'm so kind of still illiterate in having the knowledge about all these things. Moving ahead. Start with this one. It's very small. The name of this book. Look at this very beautiful book, Riyan Alge. The Obstacle is the Way. Even the name is like wow. anyone is going to get attracted towards it during the present moment. I got this book for around 100. Yeah, it was 100 rupees only, not more than that. Moving to the next box. So this is the next box to unbox this. I know it will take some time, but still I open it like this. Wow, I got the bookmark finally. Out of all these books, this is the first book in which wow, bliss. Bliss. It's like even by reading this, I'm right now blissful, bliss se bhari hu pura. Wow, I love all these books. I really want to finish them in just one day. But everything has limitations. You can't do the stuff in just one day. Moving ahead to the next part. Next, क्या है भाई इसमें? देखिए कुछ और तो नहीं दे दिया. कुछ और तो क्या है? E-card baby 3. It's like I think someone returned the book. They just sent me the same book. I don't know. So 1, 2. So my wow, Beyond Illusion and Doubt. It's written by Prabhupada, the one who actually wrote the ISKCON. मैंने किताब पढ़ी थी, उस किताब का नाम था जीवन और मृत्यु से परे. So I guess it's a preceded or succeeded version of that, Beyond Illusion and Doubt. Wow. Jai Sri Krishna. Moving ahead, what's left? I'm trying my best to get. Right now, let me arrange down. So I guess this one is also for Osho's Hidden Mysteries. Wow. Really, you guys can't even think how much excited all these stuffs is. This one is Courage. I know this one is Courage. Oh, sorry. This was. It's just. And it's written here illegal for sale in USA. The US government didn't love him. I don't know why. इनको पसंद नहीं है Osho. The man is like, stone the mountain. His words are like, nobody has a denial for his words. Courage. This one was a book for which I was excited because I guess मेरे में courage की कमी होने लगी है. So, moving ahead for the next book. Again Osho. This one is I don't know, Fear. Look at the name, how beautiful these books are. Let me tell you one of the topic. Scared to death, exploring the roots, uncertain and unknown, the mystery of trust. Wow. Look at these books. Wow, I'm so fond of reading all these stuffs. Wow. Yummy. Book. I guess right now 5 boxes are left. मेरे को लग रहा था 15 है, but इन 15 boxes में इतने books होंगे मेरे को याद भी नहीं था. This one is the unconscious bias, how to reframe biasing. Wow. This one is something, I got the bookmark. ये कहाँ जा रहा है यार? No, कोई bookmark नहीं है. पता नहीं क्यों लोग bookmark नहीं देते. थोड़ी सी गंदी किताब है, बहुत पुरानी रखी होगी किसी के पास में. Cleaned it yet. नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. The Leader's Guide to Unconscious. It's all about leadership. I don't know.
It was not possible to मैंने सोचा कि नहीं क्या रिटर्न इस बुक को यूज कर सकता है, बुक को यूज करेगा वो इसको वेस्ट तो नहीं करेगा ना. In the place. Wow.
This one was for 500 rupees and I got it in the sale for around the price, I guess it's around 110. Then सारे बड़े बॉक्स आ जाएंगे. तो पहले स्टार्ट.
मेरे बारे में कुछ बात कर नहीं है. He is the brain of extraordinary power observer.
Stephen Hawking and Leonard Boudinot, the grand design. Sorry. the brand design. You guys can read it here. The book is a copy. It's a pirated book. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I don't care. I got in the sale. It was around 80 rupees. साफ साफ दिख जा रहा है. But हाँ, for sure it's a pirated book. Stephen Hawking's. अभी अपने पास दो बड़ी बड़ी बुक्स के साथ बचा हुआ है. I got the news from कौन सी हो सकती है? How to trade for a living. The one who are actually interested to earn money from share market. This book is surely for them. Andrew Aziz. भाई मैंने कुछ पढ़ा तो नहीं, so I'm telling everything on the basis of their thickness, their context, everything which is written on the front page, second page. So consider it's actually this set of 5 books. Then I have 2 more books. And क्या मजा आता है ना. Entry level boss. How to get any job you want. बड़ी लाइट सी बुक है, बहुत लाइट सी बुक है, अच्छी होगी. And this one, Gary's book. You guys know about Gary. I know he's very harsh, but he is actually very true. सच बोलता है Gary's. Yeah, I even don't know his full name. 12.5. It's all about how you have to balance the emotions while doing the business. Because if you have 5 books, I got it in the sale. Right now the price of these 5 books is about 1,000. Yep. And I got this original one for around 290 rupees. Huh? 290 rupees. Not yet. So this is a special kind of unboxing which I am using. This you guys can see the reactions, the electric spark which is burning this. Wow. So first one is a wisdom of the gods for you and me. See this one. It's very beautiful. This book is actually containing the Hindu mythological stuffs with the modern stuffs. Wow. भाई साहब ये तो पढ़नी पड़ेगी. Wisdom of the gods for you and me. Wow. Really, it's great. The second one is Ramayana versus Mahabharata. You can see he's shown his own points in these books. Okay. Devdutt Patnaik. हनुमान चालीसा. उनके हिसाब से क्या है हनुमान चालीसा का मतलब ये उन्होंने सब कुछ इसमें लिख के रखा हुआ है. My Gita, everything according to him, what actually Gita is and how to be rich. बहुत पतली सी किताब है यार, आराम से कोई पढ़ सकता है. He's a writer. He's the one who actually wrote all these beautiful writings. So let's call it okay. Now our final book. This one was for 400 rupees. And this contains so many of the books. So let's do this. A brief guide to business classics. What this book is actually about. मुझे बताने की तो नहीं जरूरत है. सबको ही पता होगा ये किताब है किस लिए आखिर. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Going to our next book, The Buddhist on the Death Row. अभी ना इस बुक के लिए बड़ा कंफ्यूज था. मैंने बड़ा चेक किया इसके बारे में, बट मेरे को कुछ अच्छा नहीं मिला. मजे की बात है दिस वाज ऑन सेल और मेरे को सेल में मिली थी जस्ट 45 रुपीज. मैं कहा मंगाओ. दिस वन इज लाइक देखा जाएगा. The final one is this Peter Lynch box. So I'm actually eager to know what actually market is. और मार्केट को समझने के लिए पीटर लिंच से अच्छा है. कोई नहीं है तो मैं इसको करता हूँ अनबॉक्स लाइक दिस. It's a box. It contains the 3 books. It is clearly written here, The Beginner's Guide to Basics of Investing and Businesses. The 3 books are out. Peter Lynch. learn to earn beating a street and once up on the Wall Street. Dun, dun. I don't know why I'm doing this 10 to 9 stuff, but yes, I'm happy by seeing all these books. Just see this stuff. Every book lover is going to be happy like me if they are going to have this much stuff. Just keep these books together. These 5 books. All these books. These all books are mine. Wow. So this is all about the video that we actually made today, and I know every one of you are going to be excited as me, because ये सारी किताबें देख के भाई मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आ गया. बिल्कुल मैं बता नहीं सकता how much I'm excited. अब हाँ, अगली वीडियोस आने वाली हैं, और इस सब की सब वीडियोस में ये होगा कि कैसे हम इन सब किताबों से सीख सकते हैं, और इन किताबों की एक्चुअल में सीख है क्या हमारे लिए, और कैसे इनको तुम पढ़ सकते हो. कैसे कि obviously you have this perception power in your mind, but in your hectic schedule you can also read the books. I'll tell you all those stuffs in the next video. तब तक के लिए I guess I should say goodbye. Ta-da.